Okay, so we have the number 4.2 and we're going to multiply it by 100. Now remember what we've learned. When multiplying by 10, 100 or 1000 or anything like that ends in zeros, you just have to move it the same number of decimal places as zeros. So here we're going to move it 2 decimal places. Now it's multiplying, which means it always gets bigger. So think of 2 times 4. The 2 gets bigger, it becomes 8, okay? So this number is going to get bigger. So we have 4.2 and the decimal place has to move 2 places to make the number bigger. So that's once. And now the 0, the invisible 0 that we didn't put here, appears now and it goes there. So the final answer is 420. So if we have 4.2 meters, that's the same as saying 420 centimeters. Okay, here's one way you can do this. Right, so you can do 420. And how many 20s go into 420? Well, 20 does not go into 4. So we move the 4 across. That now becomes 42. Now 20 goes into 42 2 times, but there's 2 left over because 2 times 20 is 40, but we've got 42 there. So we can move, how many 20s go into 20? It's 1. So we have the final answer as 21 centimeters. So here's the other way. Right, we've got 420 and we want to make it 20 times smaller. Well, it's easy to make it 10 times smaller because we imagine the decimal place there and we make it go here. So we get 42. But we don't want it 10 times smaller. We want it 20 times. So that means if this is 10, half of this would be 20 and half of 42 is 21. So that also makes 21 centimeters. So that's another way you can do it. Okay, so we have 860. Right, we want it 20 times smaller, so let's do it both ways. All right, so how many 20s go into 860? Well, no 20s go into 8, and left with 86. Now, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4 20s will go into 86 with 6 left over. 20, 40, 63 will go into there. So that's 43 centimeters will be the size of the toy. Or you can do it the other way. You can make it 10% smaller by moving the decimal place from here to here. So we have 86, but it's 20% smaller. So we need half of that. So half of 46 is 43. Okay, so we get it in both ways.